Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove radio Toyota Yaris step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and working in a well-lit area. Carefully pry off the dash trim with a plastic tool to avoid damage, then locate and remove the radio mounting screws. Keep a small container for screws and clips. Gently slide the radio out and unplug the connectors, noting their positions for reinstallation. I will walk you through the tools and safety tips so you feel confident and calm while working on your car. Use a plastic trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, and a small container to keep fasteners organized. Always disconnect the battery negative terminal first to avoid shorts and sparks. Wear gloves and eye protection if needed, and take a quick photo of the connector layout so reconnection is painless and accurate. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Those socks handle shop floors and long projects with ease. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Now we will remove the radio gently and methodically to prevent damage and lost parts. Pry the trim evenly around the bezel to release hidden clips, then remove the visible screws holding the radio cage. Support the unit with one hand as you slide it forward to expose the connectors. Press the release tabs on the wiring harness and antenna to unplug them, and place the radio on a soft surface while you finish any needed work or inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.